That Tundra sitting on your driveway, with all that power under the hood, and still feeling sluggish off the line thanks to factory drive-by-wire lag. Whether you're towing, merging, or just want the truck to respond the way it feels like it should, a throttle controller fixes that in minutes. 5 picks right here, all links in the description. Dead last in the countdown, but worth knowing about. Number 5. The YIBEICO takes a different path with a built-in LED display and physical buttons instead of an app. 9 driving modes with 9 intensity levels each gives you 81 combinations to dial in exactly how your Tundra responds. Ultra-thin 6mm profile, USB connector. Plug-and-play install with the engine off. No phone needed, no Bluetooth pairing. Just twist and drive. Refreshingly straightforward. Number 4. The Roar pedal comes loaded with 5 modes, 63 total parameter combinations, and both app control and a built-in remote. So you're never fumbling with your phone mid-drive. The free anti-theft lock mode immobilizes the throttle completely, and the unique Learn mode helps the controller adapt to your driving style on first use. 10-minute install, 0 ECU footprint. If options and on-the-go control matter to you, Roar delivers. FUKIN Tuned lands at number 3, with 36 unique throttle maps built specifically around the Tundra's accelerator profile, not a generic tune slapped on any vehicle. From the traction-focused slow mode all the way to the aggressive Send It setting, every map is purpose-built for this truck. Anti-theft pedal disable works wirelessly. Plug and play in minutes with no harness modification. Clean, Tundra-specific engineering that actually shows. At number 2, the Faaftech Shiftpower goes wider on customization than anything else on this list. 351 adjustable settings, 6 modes, 3 acceleration curve types: linear, dynamic, and exponential. Eco mode trims fuel consumption by up to 20%, which matters on a truck this size. Throttle lock adds real security. Phone app works on both iOS and Android with 1% increment changes. If you want to truly dial in every nuance of how your Tundra feels, this is your controller. Pedal Commander takes the top spot on the Tundra list the same way it does on every Toyota list, because it's earned that reputation with real-world results. 4 modes, 36 settings, wireless app control, works across a wide range of Tundra trims and engine sizes, including the big 5.7-liter. 15-minute install, fully reversible, 0 ECU modification. Especially effective when towing trailers or hauling heavy loads where factory lag gets amplified. The community keeps recommending it for a reason. 5 controllers, 1 Tundra, and a 15-minute fix for a problem Toyota should have solved from the factory. Whether you want a simple dial, a full app experience, or 351 fine-tuned settings, the right pick is on this list. All links are in the description. Go wake that truck up. Hit subscribe and stay locked in. More Tundra content is on the way.